Gamma scalping. Thursday, day 4. We've covered straddles, we've covered skew, and the expected move. Today, we're getting into a strategy called gamma scalping. This is how you protect your trades and you actually make money from the market bouncing around. It doesn't matter which way the market goes. You're adjusting and locking in profits along the way. Let's get into it.
Have you ever felt like options trading was just a drain on your wallet? I know the feeling. Watching your trades lose value every day, all because of time decay. But then I discovered a game-changing strategy that turned those potential losses into profits. This strategy is called gamma scalping. And today, I'm going to explain how it works and how you can use it to protect your trades and actually make money, even when the market turns against you. Before we dive into gamma scalping, let's talk about why your options lose value. It's all due to something called time decay. As the expiration date of your options gets closer, the chances of them reaching the strike price become more certain, which means they lose value. This is a big problem, especially if you're holding long options. So what is gamma scalping? Gamma scalping is a strategy that option traders use to manage their positions and lock in profits from small price movements in the underlying stock. The idea is to offset the losses caused by time decay by making small but profitable adjustments to your position as the stock price moves. Think of gamma scalping like steering a ship through changing winds. You're constantly changing your sails to catch the wind just right. In the market, you're making small trades to lock in profits and keep your position balanced. Identify your position. Let's say you own 10 call options with a strike price of $50 and the stock is currently trading at 55. Since each option contract controls 100 shares, your 10 call options give you control over 1,000 shares. If these options cost you 50 cents per contract, your total investment is $500. With the stock trading above your strike price, your options have intrinsic value, putting you in a very strong position. Make adjustments. As the stock price rises slightly, say to 57, you sell a small portion of shares, let's say 100 shares, to grab some gains. This sale is not about locking in a huge profit, but about making small adjustments that add up over time. By selling at 57, you generate $5,700. And then if the stock drops back to 55, you can buy back those 100 shares at a lower price and lock in that small $200 profit. As the stock continues to fluctuate, you continue making these small adjustments, selling more shares as the price rises and then buying them back as it drops. This way, you're scalping small profits repeatedly, which helps to offset the time decay that's eating away at your options value. Unexpectedly, this company announces an SEC investigation. The stock price plummets to $32. Here's where gamma scalping proves its worth. Because you sold shares as the stock price was rising, you've already locked in some profits. But now, as the stock price drops to 32, you can buy back the shares at a much lower price, effectively capturing additional profits from those sales. Here's how it breaks down. You sold 100 shares at 57, generating $5,700. If you buy back those 100 shares at 32, you spend only $3,300, leaving you with a $2,500 profit from this adjustment. Even if your call options lost value, the profits you made from these adjustments can help offset those losses. And remember, this strategy started with just a $500 investment. This scenario highlights how gamma scalping can protect your portfolio, even during unexpected downturns. By making these small adjustments, you've locked in profits and created a buffer against sudden drops. Even if your call options loses all of its value, the gains from your adjustments can easily cover those losses. Given that you started with just $500, the profit potential is significant. As this situation unfolds, you can choose to close out your entire position, either holding onto your call for a potential recovery or just close them out, depending on market conditions. The calls, they're pretty much worthless anyway. If you sold 100 shares at 57 and you buy them back at 32, you're flat. You don't have any more risk and your options are worthless. So gamma scalping is not just a way to lock in profits during price increases. It's a defensive strategy that can protect you when the market turns against you. By strategically selling and buying back shares, you can secure profits and create a cushion against unexpected events, all from a relatively small initial investments. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the detailed tutorial on more advanced option strategies. Remember, every trader is just one strategy away from profitability. I'd love to hear about your experiences with time decay and any strategies you've used to combat it. Drop a comment below and share your story, and thanks so much for watching.
One last thing. Hey guys, it's JR. Every morning the market's open, I go live 11 a.m. Eastern time. Subscribe, get an alert, hop on and say GM. Thanks for watching.